Hello friends, welcome to Excel Automation Tool. I hope you are doing good. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss very important tips regarding how we can enable our VBA macros in Microsoft Excel Workbook. So we know Microsoft Excel may disable macros by default to protect your system. We are discussing about how we can manage this, like how we can disable to enable our macro. So we are going to discuss the common macro related securities message and their solution. Let's start. So we are going to enable a macro file. So first of all, you can see there is the protected view. So there is a message like be careful, files from the internet can obtain virus unless you need to edit. It's safe to stay in protect view. So when you're confident about your file and you may know that this file is maintain the security, then you can enable this, like you can enable editing mode, or you can also go to the file and there is options, and there you can see the trust center, and you can click this there, and there is the trust center settings, and there you can see this is the protected view. So go to there and you can just untick all of the options. So okay, and there is also click need to okay, and you can there enable editing. Okay, now you can save this. Okay, we are going to close this and try to open again. Then you can see this message bar is not appearing now. So I hope we can understand how we can manage this. So we are going to the next problem. So we can see there another notification like there is showing is security risks. Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted. So how we can solve this? You need to close the workbook. Okay. The second thing is navigate to the file location. So you can see this is the file. So you need to navigate this. And that is the right click the file and select properties, just there, and go to the properties, and you can see there is a general, and there is the unblock. So you need to click this unblock, and after unblock you need to OK, and then this notification will be hide. So we are going to the next problem for discussion. So there is another warning bar, just we can see there the security warning macro have been disabled. So this is happening for with the default macro settings. When you open a macro enable workbook for the first time, a yellow security warning bar appearing below the ribbon. You can see this there. So we can fix this to a different way. If you trust the source of the file and know that all the macros are secure, then just click the enable content on the yellow security warning bar. Security warning dialog box will be appearing, then you can just select the yes to trust the document. And to enable macros for all workbook by default, you need to go to the file tab, and there is the options, and there you can see the trust center, and go to the trust center settings. So there you can see that disable all macros with notification or another things. You just need to click the enable all macros and click the OK button and also the OK. And finally you can save the workbook. So there we have discussed different types of warning notification and their solutions. I hope this will help you very much and you can easily access the macro workbook file. As well as you can see our Excel Automation Tool Service Center and download of reference. There you can see lots of tools available there. You can download it as per your requirement wise. And there is our membership and post. If you need any kind of assist, please let us know. We will assist you. See you in the next Excel VBA related tips and tricks discussion. Thank you very much.